Welcome to part 4 of our enlightening series, Teaching Financial Literacy Across Generations. In this episode, we focus on navigating major life events, delving into the crucial financial considerations that come with each life stage, such as starting a career, purchasing a home, or planning for retirement. Understanding how to manage your finances during these pivotal times is key to maintaining long-term financial stability and achieving your personal and family goals. We'll explore practical strategies for creating a solid financial foundation as you transition through life's significant milestones, from setting up your first budget as a young professional to strategically planning for a comfortable retirement. This video will provide you with the tools and knowledge necessary to navigate the financial challenges and opportunities that accompany major life changes. Whether you're a recent graduate, a new homeowner, or someone nearing retirement, the insights offered here will help you prepare for the financial aspects of these important phases in life. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts into manageable strategies that can be applied at any stage of your life or career. Let's empower ourselves and future generations with the knowledge to make informed, confident financial decisions that pave the way to a secure and prosperous future. Navigating major life events. Financial considerations for different life stages, e.g., starting a career, buying a home, planning for retirement. Financial considerations for different life stages. Starting a career. When starting a career, it is crucial to establish good financial habits early on. This includes creating a budget to track income and expenses, setting financial goals, and building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Additionally, young professionals should consider contributing to employer-sponsored retirement accounts, such as a 401k, to take advantage of any employer matching contributions and start saving for the future. Buying a home. Purchasing a home is a significant financial decision that requires careful planning. Before buying a home, individuals should assess their financial situation, including their income, savings, and credit score. It is important to determine how much house one can afford and to factor in additional costs, such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance expenses. Consider working with a financial advisor to ensure that buying a home fits into your long-term financial goals. Planning for retirement. Planning for retirement is essential at every stage of life to ensure financial security in the future. Individuals should start saving for retirement as early as possible to take advantage of compounding interest and maximize their savings. Consider contributing to retirement accounts such as IRAs, 401ks, or other investment vehicles to build a nest egg for retirement. It is also important to regularly review and adjust retirement savings goals based on changing life circumstances and financial needs. Understanding and managing financial considerations at different life stages is crucial for achieving long-term financial security and success. By establishing good financial habits, setting goals, and seeking professional guidance when needed, individuals can navigate various life events such as starting a career, buying a home, and planning for retirement with confidence and financial stability. Strategies for managing finances during significant life events. Life is full of unexpected events that can impact our financial well-being, such as marriage, having children, buying a home, changing careers, or facing a medical emergency. It is essential to have a solid financial plan in place to navigate through these significant life events. Here are some strategies to help you manage your finances during such times. 1. Build an emergency fund. One of the first steps in managing finances during significant life events is to have an emergency fund in place. This fund should ideally cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses and serve as a financial cushion in times of crisis. 2. Review your budget. When faced with a significant life event, it is crucial to review your budget and make necessary adjustments. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses to free up more money to handle the new financial demands. 3. Communicate with your partner. If you're going through a life event such as marriage or having children, it is essential to communicate openly with your partner about financial matters. Discuss your financial goals, priorities, and how you plan to manage your finances together. 4. Update your insurance coverage. Life events such as getting married, having children, or buying a home may necessitate changes to your insurance coverage. Make sure to review your health, life, disability, and home insurance policies to ensure that you have adequate coverage to protect yourself and your loved ones. 5. Seek professional advice. During significant life events, it can be beneficial to seek advice from a financial planner or advisor. They can help you navigate through complex financial decisions, create a financial plan tailored to your specific situation, and provide guidance on investment strategies, retirement planning, and more. 6. Plan for the future. In times of change, it is crucial to think about the long-term implications of your financial decisions. Consider how this life event may impact your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. By following these strategies and taking proactive steps to manage your finances during significant life events, you can better prepare yourself to handle unexpected challenges and secure your financial future. Remember that financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and being informed and proactive about your finances is key to achieving financial stability and success. How to teach financial literacy in the context of major life changes. Major life changes such as getting married, having children, changing careers, or retiring can significantly impact an individual's financial situation. It is crucial to be prepared and knowledgeable about managing finances during these transitions. In this section, we will explore practical strategies and tips on how to teach financial literacy in the context of major life changes. 1. Understand the impact of major life changes on finances. Before delving into specific financial topics, it is essential to understand how major life changes can impact one's financial situation. For example, getting married may involve combining finances, setting joint financial goals, and adjusting spending habits. Similarly, having children can lead to increased expenses related to childcare, education, and healthcare. By understanding these impacts, individuals can better prepare for the financial challenges that come with major life changes. 2. Set clear financial goals. When facing major life changes, it is crucial to set clear financial goals to guide decision-making and financial planning. Whether it is saving for a down payment on a house, funding a child's education, or building a retirement nest egg, having specific and achievable goals can help individuals stay focused and motivated. Teaching individuals how to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound financial goals can be a valuable skill during major life transitions. 3. Create a budget and track expenses. Budgeting is a fundamental aspect of financial literacy that becomes even more critical during major life changes. Teaching individuals how to create a budget that accounts for changes in income and expenses can help them manage their finances effectively. Encouraging the habit of tracking expenses and identifying areas where adjustments can be made can be particularly beneficial during times of transition. 4. Plan for contingencies. Major life changes can bring unexpected challenges and financial uncertainties. Teaching individuals how to plan for contingencies by building an emergency fund, obtaining adequate insurance coverage, and creating a financial safety net can provide peace of mind and financial stability during turbulent times. Emphasizing the importance of risk management and preparedness can help individuals navigate major life changes with greater confidence. 5. Seek professional guidance. During major life changes, seeking professional financial guidance can be invaluable. Encouraging individuals to consult with financial advisors, accountants, or other professionals can provide expert insights and personalized recommendations tailored to their specific circumstances. Teaching individuals how to evaluate financial advice and make informed decisions can empower them to navigate major life changes more effectively. Teaching financial literacy in the context of major life changes requires a comprehensive approach that addresses the unique challenges and opportunities that arise during life transitions. By understanding the impact of major life changes on finances, setting clear goals, creating a budget, planning for contingencies, and seeking professional guidance, individuals can enhance their financial literacy skills and successfully manage their finances during times of change. As we wrap up part 4 of our series on teaching financial literacy across generations, focusing on navigating major life events, it's clear that understanding and preparing for the financial considerations at different life stages is not just beneficial, but essential for achieving long-term financial well-being. From embarking on a new career path to making the dream of homeownership a reality, and eventually moving towards retirement, each stage of life comes with its own set of financial challenges and opportunities. By employing the strategies and insights shared in this video, you're better equipped to manage your finances during these significant life events. Remember, the journey to financial literacy is ongoing, and each major life change presents a new learning opportunity and a chance to strengthen your financial foundation. We encourage you to continue educating yourself and your loved ones about financial management, making use of the tools and resources available to navigate life's financial landscapes confidently. Stay tuned for the final installment of our series, where we will bring everything together, reinforcing the importance of teaching financial literacy across generations and ensuring a legacy of financial knowledge and stability that will benefit your family for years to come.